Let's kick things off by understanding what SWOT analysis is all about. SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. It's a strategic planning tool used by businesses and individuals to identify internal and external factors that can impact success. By breaking down these four key areas, you gain a clearer picture of where you stand and what actions you can take. Whether you're launching a new product, entering a new market, or simply reviewing your current position, SWOT analysis provides a structured approach to decision-making. In the next scenes, we'll dive deeper into each component and see how they work together. Strengths are the internal attributes and resources that give your business an edge over competitors. These could be anything from a strong brand reputation, skilled workforce, proprietary technology, or loyal customer base. Recognizing your strengths helps you understand what sets you apart and where you can leverage your advantages. It's important to be honest and specific when listing strengths, as this will guide your strategy moving forward. Next, let's look at how to identify these strengths in your own organization. Identify your strengths. Start by asking what your business does better than others. Consider your unique selling points, specialized expertise, or efficient processes. You might also look at customer feedback to see what people appreciate most about your product or service. Remember, strengths aren't just about tangible assets, they can also include company culture, leadership, or innovative thinking. By gathering input from your team and reviewing performance data, you'll build a comprehensive list of what makes your organization strong. Now let's turn to weaknesses. These are internal factors that may hinder your progress or put you at a disadvantage. Weaknesses could include outdated technology, limited resources, skill gaps, or poor brand recognition. Being aware of your weaknesses is crucial because it allows you to address them proactively. Don't shy away from acknowledging areas that need improvement. Identifying weaknesses is the first step toward turning them into strengths. In the following scene, we'll discuss how to uncover these weaknesses. Find your weaknesses. Take a critical look at your operations and performance. Ask yourself where you consistently fall short or receive negative feedback. Are there processes that are inefficient or resources that are lacking? It's helpful to involve your team in this process as different perspectives can reveal blind spots. Remember, the goal isn't to dwell on shortcomings, but to identify opportunities for growth and development. By being honest about your weaknesses, you set the stage for meaningful improvement. Opportunities are external factors that your business can capitalize on to grow and succeed. These might include emerging markets, technological advancements, changes in consumer behavior, or gaps in the market. Spotting opportunities requires you to stay informed about industry trends and be open to new ideas. By aligning your strengths with available opportunities, you can create a powerful strategy for expansion. Next, we'll explore how to identify opportunities relevant to your business. Identify opportunities. Keep an eye on industry news, competitor moves, and shifts in customer preferences. Attend conferences, network with peers, and listen to what your customers are asking for. Sometimes, opportunities arise from changes in regulations or advancements in technology. By staying proactive and curious, you'll be better positioned to spot and seize new possibilities. Remember, not every opportunity will be right for your business, so evaluate each one carefully before taking action. Threats are external factors that could negatively impact your business. These might include new competitors, changing regulations, economic downturns, or shifts in consumer preferences. Identifying threats is essential for risk management and long-term planning. By understanding what challenges you might face, you can develop strategies to mitigate their impact. In the next scene, we'll discuss how to spot potential threats and prepare for them. Spot threats. Analyze your competitive landscape and monitor changes in the market. Watch for new entrants, disruptive technologies, or shifts in regulations that could affect your business. It's also important to consider economic trends and global events that might pose risks. By regularly reviewing these factors, you'll be better prepared to respond quickly and effectively. Remember, the goal is not to be fearful, but to be ready for whatever comes your way. SWOT Matrix is a simple yet powerful tool that helps you organize your findings. It's typically presented as a 4-quadrant grid, with each section dedicated to strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. By laying out your analysis visually, you can easily spot connections and prioritize actions. The matrix also makes it easier to communicate your insights with your team or stakeholders. In the next scenes, we'll walk through how to create your own SWOT matrix step by step. Set up your SWOT matrix. Start by drawing a large square and dividing it into 4 equal quadrants. Label each quadrant with one of the SWOT categories. This visual layout helps you organize your thoughts and ensures nothing gets overlooked. You can use sticky notes, a whiteboard, or digital tools, whatever works best for your team. The key is to make the process collaborative and open to input from everyone involved. Begin by listing all your strengths in the top left quadrant of the matrix. Encourage your team to contribute ideas and don't be afraid to get specific. The more detailed your list, the more useful your analysis will be. Remember to focus on both tangible and intangible strengths such as resources, skills, and company culture. Once you've filled in this section, move on to weaknesses. Next, fill in the weaknesses quadrant. Be honest and thorough. This is your chance to identify areas that need improvement. Ask your team for feedback and look at recent performance data for clues. Weaknesses can range from resource limitations to process inefficiencies. By documenting them clearly, you'll be better equipped to address them in your strategy. In the opportunities quadrant, jot down all the external factors that could benefit your business. Think about market trends, new technologies, or changes in consumer behavior. Encourage your team to brainstorm and think creatively. The goal is to identify as many opportunities as possible, even if they seem ambitious. Later, you can prioritize which ones to pursue. Finally, fill in the threats quadrant. Consider all the external risks that could impact your business, from new competitors to economic shifts. It's important to be realistic and thorough in this section. By identifying threats early, you can develop strategies to minimize their impact and stay ahead of potential challenges. Once your matrix is complete, take a step back and look for patterns or connections. Are there strengths you can use to take advantage of opportunities? Do certain weaknesses make you more vulnerable to threats? This analysis will help you prioritize actions and develop a strategy that plays to your strengths while addressing your weaknesses. With your SWOT matrix in hand, you're ready to move into strategic planning. Use your analysis to set clear goals and outline actionable steps. Focus on leveraging your strengths, addressing your weaknesses, seizing opportunities, and preparing for threats. Involving your team in this process ensures buy-in and increases your chances of success. Let's look at a real-world example. Imagine a tech startup conducting a SWOT analysis. Their strengths might include innovative technology and a talented team. Weaknesses could be limited funding and lack of brand recognition. Opportunities might involve a growing market for their product, while threats could include established competitors. By mapping these out, the startup can focus on building partnerships to overcome funding gaps and ramp up marketing to boost brand awareness. Consider a retail store performing a SWOT analysis. Their strengths might be a loyal customer base and prime location. Weaknesses could include outdated inventory systems. Opportunities may come from expanding online sales, while threats might involve new competitors in the area. By identifying these factors, the store can invest in technology upgrades and develop an e-commerce strategy to stay competitive. SWOT analysis isn't just for businesses, it's also a powerful tool for personal development. By evaluating your own strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, you can set meaningful goals and make informed decisions about your career or personal life. This approach helps you play to your strengths, address areas for growth, and prepare for challenges ahead. Teams can also benefit from conducting a SWOT analysis together. By pooling insights and experiences, teams can identify collective strengths and weaknesses as well as shared opportunities and threats. This collaborative process fosters open communication and helps align everyone toward common goals. It's a great way to build trust and drive team performance. While SWOT analysis is straightforward, there are common mistakes to avoid. These include being too vague, focusing only on positives, or failing to update the analysis regularly. It's important to be specific, balanced, and keep your SWOT matrix up to date as circumstances change. This ensures your strategy remains relevant and effective. Get the most out of your SWOT analysis. Involve a diverse group of people, use data to support your findings, and revisit your matrix regularly. Encourage honest feedback and be open to new perspectives. The more thorough and inclusive your process, the more valuable your insights will be. Remember, SWOT is a living document that should evolve with your business. SWOT analysis is a powerful tool for making informed decisions. By clearly understanding your internal and external environment, you can weigh options more effectively and choose the best path forward. Whether you're considering a new project, investment, or partnership, use your SWOT matrix to guide your choices and minimize risks. SWOT analysis works best when integrated with other strategic tools such as pest analysis or Porter's 5 forces. Combining these approaches gives you a more comprehensive view of your business environment and helps you develop robust strategies. Don't be afraid to mix and match tools to suit your needs. SWOT analysis is useful in a variety of situations, from launching new products to entering new markets or reviewing business performance. It's also helpful during times of change or uncertainty, as it provides a structured way to assess your position and plan your next steps. Make SWOT a regular part of your strategic toolkit. Small businesses can adapt SWOT analysis to fit their unique needs. Focus on the factors most relevant to your size and industry and involve your team in the process. Use the insights to make practical, actionable plans that drive growth and resilience. Remember, even small changes can have a big impact. For large organizations, SWOT analysis can be conducted at multiple levels: company-wide, departmental, or even project-specific. Involve representatives from different areas to ensure a comprehensive view. Use the findings to align strategies across the organization and drive coordinated action. There are many digital tools available to help you create and manage your SWOT analysis. From simple templates to advanced software, these tools make it easy to collaborate, update, and share your findings. Choose the tool that best fits your workflow and encourages team participation. SWOT analysis isn't a one-time exercise. Regularly review and update your matrix to reflect changes in your business environment. This ensures your strategies remain relevant and effective. Schedule periodic check-ins and encourage your team to contribute new insights as they arise. Effectively communicating your SWOT findings is key to driving action. Use clear visuals, concise summaries, and actionable recommendations. Tailor your communication style to your audience, whether it's your team, management, or stakeholders. The goal is to ensure everyone understands the insights and knows what steps to take next. Sometimes, the sheer amount of information in a SWOT analysis can lead to analysis paralysis. To avoid this, focus on the most critical factors and prioritize actions that will have the greatest impact. Break down large tasks into manageable steps and assign responsibilities to keep things moving forward. After implementing your SWOT-based strategies, it's important to measure your success. Set clear metrics and track your progress over time. Use feedback and performance data to refine your approach and celebrate achievements along the way. This continuous improvement cycle ensures lasting results. Let's consider a restaurant using SWOT analysis. Their strengths might include a unique menu and excellent customer service. Weaknesses could be limited seating or high staff turnover. Opportunities may involve catering services or online delivery, while threats could include new competitors or changing food trends. By mapping these out, the restaurant can focus on expanding services and improving staff retention. Nonprofit organization might use SWOT analysis to identify its strong community relationships and dedicated volunteers as strengths. Weaknesses could include limited funding or resources. Opportunities might come from new grant programs, while threats could involve changes in government policy. This analysis helps the nonprofit focus on fundraising and advocacy efforts. Freelancers can use SWOT analysis to evaluate their skills, client relationships, and market opportunities. Strengths might include specialized expertise or flexibility, while weaknesses could be inconsistent income. Opportunities may come from new platforms or industries, and threats could include increased competition. This approach helps freelancers set goals and adapt to market changes. Project managers can use SWOT analysis to assess project viability and risks. By identifying strengths such as a skilled team or clear objectives, and weaknesses like tight deadlines or resource constraints, managers can plan more effectively. Opportunities might include new technologies, while threats could involve scope changes. This ensures projects stay on track and deliver results. Marketing teams can use SWOT analysis to refine campaigns and target audiences more effectively. Strengths might include a strong brand or creative team, while weaknesses could be limited budget. Opportunities may come from social media trends, and threats could involve changing algorithms. This analysis helps marketers stay agile and responsive. Product development teams can use SWOT analysis to guide innovation and prioritize features. Strengths might include technical expertise, while weaknesses could be limited resources. Opportunities may arise from customer feedback, and threats could involve competing products. This structured approach helps teams deliver products that meet market needs. Individuals can use SWOT analysis to plan their careers. By identifying personal strengths such as skills or experience and weaknesses like gaps in knowledge, you can set realistic goals. Opportunities might include new job openings, while threats could involve industry changes. This approach helps you make informed decisions and stay proactive in your career. Students and educators can use SWOT analysis to improve learning outcomes. Strengths might include effective study habits or supportive teachers, while weaknesses could be time management issues. Opportunities may come from extracurricular activities, and threats could involve academic competition. This analysis helps students focus on improvement and maximize their potential. SWOT analysis isn't limited to business or education. It can be used for community projects, event planning, or even personal life decisions. By applying the same principles, you can make better choices and achieve your goals in any area of life. SWOT analysis supports continuous improvement by encouraging regular reflection and adaptation. By revisiting your matrix and updating it as needed, you ensure your strategies remain effective and aligned with your goals. This mindset of ongoing improvement is key to long-term success. Let's recap what we've covered. SWOT analysis is a simple yet powerful tool for understanding your internal and external environment. By identifying strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, you can make informed decisions and develop effective strategies. Remember to involve your team, use data, and keep your analysis up to date for the best results. Now that you understand SWOT analysis, it's time to put it into action. Gather your team, set up your matrix, and start mapping out your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Use your findings to guide your strategy and drive meaningful results. Remember, the key to success is regular review and continuous improvement. Good luck on your journey to success.